Ukraine right now? Have you seen that they're flying these drones that you can't jam? And the way they are, they have like miles of fiber optic cable attached to them.
Yeah.
This is so crazy. They're like fishing. They're like fishing with a drone. And now birds are making like nests out of this fiber optic stuff. They're picking it up and like, oh, this is perfect. Make a little nest with this shit.
Did you see how they got those drones in for the attack on the planes recently?
What did they do? They
they
drove them in trucks, right?
Yeah, they were like, I don't know if buried is the right word, but they were like secretly in the trucks, and then like they all came out at once or something. Like the roofs opened up of these like log cabins or something.
They all came out and they all went out and attacked all the
roofs of
planes.
sheds. There were sheds loaded on the trucks. That
Well,
were stuck around the
Pretty
perimeter.
fucking ingenious, man. And they said it took like a year and a half to come up with this plan.
This will change war forever, though, I guess. I mean, artificial intelligence will, too.
I'm reading a book about it right now. A fiction book, one of the Gray Man books, that is specifically about using autonomous weapons. It's The Chaos Agent by Mark Graney. It's about a guy who's this billionaire who develops this autonomous weapons program. But they're doing that. They're doing that right now. And we don't know like how advanced China stuff is. Like, but we know their drones are insanely advanced. Like their drone shows that they put on, they just put on another one recently, like the largest ever drone show. And you watch these coordinated things in the sky that are creating images, and you're like, that 100% could be a weapon. Like that thing you can get that thing to be so precise. They coordinate together. All you'd have to do is like put a suicide drone, look at this thing. Look at these things, bro. These are drones. How nuts is this? I mean, that is fucking bananas. Look at that. I mean, it's crazy.
I've heard, this is all just generalization stuff, but I've heard people make pretty compelling arguments about like, all these sort of like prophetic visions of the end of times, all the stuff in the sky and all the imagery and all that a lot of that could be. I don't know. I see a time coming very soon where warfare is conducted with these drones and also with like probably ground machinery too. Like you see, they've got Tesla bots and other variants of that are able to catch tennis balls and organize groceries, and these things are all fed off of artificial intelligence, which knows everything about all of us collectively. It sees where we go and what we do and what we say and what we shop for and what we look for and how we drive, and it's like this, almost like this very godlike thing. And I don't think that it even matters whose AI it is, if it's China or ours or some private company. I think it's like at some point it will just be the thing. It won't even be China's AI anymore. It will just be.
Yeah, it'll say "fuck you, China." We're taking over. We don't believe in countries. We believe in the hive mind.
How do you stop that? Like, how do you like? It goes into industry.